How to get free things in Minecraft Marketplace. So first you simply open up your Minecraft, then simply click on Marketplace here on the bottom. Now once you're here, what you want to do is just simply click on the search icon here on the top right, and it will bring you right here. Then click on the filter icon if you want to filter out what you're going to search. So let's say I want some texture packs. Just simply click on filter, click on pack types, and here I have the textures. So I'm just gonna simply click on the tick box right there, then just simply go back. Now once I'm here, just click on this other button beside the filter button, and I'm gonna set this to price low to high. And what this does is show you all the free items first before you go to the paid ones right here. So I have only two textures that are free. So let's check out other ones. Let's say I want to go with skins, then I'll just go back. As you can see, you have all the free skins first before we basically get the paid ones. So I'm just going to go back to the textures and let's try downloading or getting one. So let's say I want this Minecraft texture update beta. Just click on it, then click on the free button right here and it says purchase in progress. Now as you can see, you just claim the Minecraft texture pack right there. Now we can try to create a new world with it. So just go back to the menu right here, then click on play, then click on create new world. Or I mean, go back and click on see more first so that you could see your texture pack. So the one that we downloaded is right here, Minecraft texture update beta. Just simply click on it. Now click on download, click on download again. Just wait for it to download, and now we could activate our texture pack. Now the texture pack is now activated right here. Now we could basically create a world with it. So we just go back here and then click on activate, then click on my packs, and here is the texture update pack that we had. Just click on it and click on activate. Now the texture pack has been activated, and when we create a new world, it will just basically apply the texture update pack right here. And that's how you basically get free things in Minecraft Marketplace.